Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. By the name of Almighty Allah, who is the most beneficent and the most merciful. Dear students, respected teachers and friends, Assalamu alaikum. Students, this is the lecture series of FSC Part 1 Mathematics, and we will discuss the last lecture of 3.3. Students, in our previous lecture, we have discussed up to 12 questions. Question number 12 is which matrix is singular and which is non-singular. So singular matrix is if the determinant of matrix is 0, then it is a singular matrix. You have to find the determinant simply, or with the help of properties, or with the help of expansion method. Question number 3. Find the inverse of A. So question number 13 is A is equal to 210 110 210 110 and 2 minus 3 and 5. You have to prove that A inverse into A is equal to I3, means identity matrix of order 3. So in your previous classes you have studied the 2 cross 2 matrix adjoint. Here we have 3 cross 3 matrix. So first of all, determinant of A is equal to 210 110 2 minus 3 and 5. Expansion method, expand by R1. So this becomes 2 1 0 minus 3 and 5 minus 1 1 0 2 and 5 and plus 0. This becomes 0 1 1 and 2 and minus 3. So this is 5 on the 5 minus 0 minus minus plus 0 minus 1 5 on the 5 minus 0 plus 0 multiplied something is 0 10 minus 5 is equal to 5, which is not equal to 0. So this is the non-singular matrix, because if singularity exists, then we can't find its inverse. So A inverse is equal to adjoint of A over A determinant. Now adjoint of 3 cross 3 matrix is A11, A12, A13, A21, A22, A23 and A31, A32, A33 transpose. So first of all, you have to find all these cofactors. A11 is minus 1 power 1 plus 1, first row and first column. First row and first column. Other values are 1 0 minus 3 5. This is equal to minus 1 power 2 5 plus 0. This is equal to 1 into 5 is equal to 5. A11 is 5. A12 minus 1 power 1 plus 2. First row, second column 1 0 to 5. This becomes minus 1 power 3, 5 minus 0, minus 1 into 5. So this is minus 5. A13, minus 1 power 1 plus 3, first row, third column, 1 1 2 3. This is equal to minus 1 power 4 minus 3 and This is 1 minus 5. This is minus 5. So A21 minus 1 power 1 plus 2. First row, sorry, 2 plus 1. Second row, first column. Second row and first column. 1 0 minus 3 5. This is equal to minus 1 power 3. 5 plus 0. Minus 1 into 5, which is equal to minus 5. A22 minus 1 power 2 plus 2. Second row and second column. 2 0 2 5. Which is equal to minus 1 power 4. 10 minus 0. 1 into 10. This is 10. Now so A23 minus 1 power 2 plus 3. Second row, third column. 2 1 2 minus 3. Minus 1 power 5. Minus 6 minus 2. Minus 1 into minus 8. This is equal to 8. Finally, A31 minus 1 power 3 plus 1. Minus 1 power 3 plus 1. Third row, first column. 1 0 1 0. This is equal to minus 1 power 4. 0 minus 0. 1 into 0 is equal to 0. A32 minus 1 power 3 plus 2. Third row and second column. 2 0 1 0. This is equal to minus 1 power 5. 0 minus 0. This is also 0. And finally A33 minus 1 power 3 plus 3. Third row, third column. 2 1 1 1. Minus 1 power 6. 2 minus 1. 1 into 1, which is 1. Now putting the values. So we have A11 5 minus 5 and minus 5. So 5 minus 5 and minus 5. A21 is minus 5, 10, and A23 is 8. A31 is 0, 32 is 0, and 1. All transpose. Now, transpose interchanging the rows and columns. This will be 5 minus 5 minus 5. Minus 5, 10, 8. Or 0, 0, 1. This is your adjoint. This implies that A inverse is equal to adjoint of A over A mod. Adjoint of A is 5 minus 5 0 minus 5 10 0 minus 5 8 1 over what is our A mod? A mod is 5. So this will be 5 by 5 minus 5 by 5, 0 by 5. Minus 5 by 5, 10 by 5, 0 by 5. Minus 5 by 5, 8 by 5, 1 by 5. This is equal to 1, minus 1, 0, minus 1, 2, 0, minus 1, 8 by 5, 1 by 5. Now, multiplying with this matrix with A matrix. Last step is A inverse into A. A inverse is 1 minus 1 0, minus 1 2 0, minus 1 8 by 5, 1 by 5. And A is 2 1 0, 1 1 0, 2 minus 3 5. Multiplying first row first column 1 multiplied 2 plus minus 1 multiplied 1 plus 0 multiplied 2. First row second column 1 multiplied 1 plus minus 1 multiplied 1, 0 multiplied minus 3. 1 multiplied 0 plus minus 1 multiplied 0, 0 multiplied 5. And this one is minus 1 multiplied 2, 2 multiplied 1, 0 multiplied 2. Minus 1 multiplied 1, 2 multiplied 1, 0 multiplied minus 3. Minus 1 multiplied 0, 2 multiplied 0, and 0 multiplied 5. Last one is minus 1 multiplied 2, 8 by 5 multiplied 1 plus 1 by 5 multiplied 2. Minus 1 multiplied 1, 8 by 5 multiplied 1, 1 by 5 multiplied minus 3. And last one is minus 1 multiplied 0, 8 by 5 multiplied 0, 1 by 5 multiplied 5. So, after multiplication, we have our final answer is 2 minus 1 plus 0, 1 minus 1 plus 0, 0 minus 0 plus 0. And this will be minus 2 plus 2 plus 0, minus 1 plus 2 minus 0, and 0 plus 0 plus 0. Minus 2 plus 8 by 5 plus 2 by 5, minus 1 plus 8 by 5 minus 3 by 5, and 0 plus 0 plus 1. So this becomes 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1, which is equal to I3 identity matrix of order 3. This is your answer of question number 13. Now question number 14 is simply 2 cross 2 matrix. You have to find A B all inverse is equal to B inverse A inverse. Matrix 2 का एडजॉइंट फाइंड करने के लिए आपको सिंपली फर्स्ट और 4 की वैल्यू रिप्लेस करनी होती है और सेकंड और थर्ड एंट्री के साइन चेंज करने होते हैं, जो आपने प्रीवियस लेक्चर्स में पढ़ चुका है। क्वेश्चन नंबर 15 ट्रांसपोज देना है 2 क्रॉस 2 मैट्रिक्स, ये भी इजी है। क्वेश्चन नंबर 16 पे आते हैं जी। एक बार क्वेश्चन नंबर 16 में आपको क्वेश्चन नंबर 15 कवर हो जाएगा और 14 भी। क्वेश्चन नंबर 16 है इफ A is equal to 2 minus 1 3 1, we have to find A inverse whole transpose is equal to A transpose whole inverse. We have to show that. First of all, A determinants 2 minus 1, 3, 1. First into fourth minus second into third. 2 plus 3 is equal to 5. Second one is adjoint. Adjoint of 2 cross 2. You have studied in matrix. First and 4 value is replaced. This one is 1 and this one is 2. Second and third changing the sign. This one is plus and this one is minus 3. So A inverse is equal to adjoint of A over A mod. A inverse is equal to minus 1 1 minus 3 2 over 5. So A inverse is minus 1 by 5 1 by 5 minus 3 by 5 and 2 by 5. So left hand side is A inverse whole transpose minus 1 by 5 1 by 5 minus 3 by 5 2 by 5 whole transpose minus 1 by 5 1 by 5 minus 3 by 5 2 by 5. Similarly right hand side, first of all A transpose. So A is 2 minus 1 3 1 whole transpose. Now transpose is interchanging the rows and columns. This will be 2 minus 1 and 3 1. Now we have to find this inverse. So adjoint, first of all A transpose magnitude, your odd determinant. So this is equal to 2 cross 1 minus 3 cross minus 1. 2 plus 3 is equal to 5. So adjoint of A transpose is equal to 1 minus 3 1 or 2. So finally right hand side will be A transpose whole inverse is equal to adjoint of A transpose over A transpose mod. This is equal to 1 minus 3 and 1 and 2 over 5. This will be 1 by 5 minus 3 by 5 1 by 5 2 by 5. So this is like that. Left hand side is equal to right hand side. Here you can see left side is this and right side is this. So no, left hand side here, this is plus 1 not minus 1. So this is also plus 1. So this is plus 1 and this is plus 1. 1 by 5 minus 3 by 5 2 1 by 5 and 2 by 5. Now left hand side is equal to right hand side. So last question is, if A and B are non-singular matrix, then question number 17 is, if A is a non-singular matrix, then we have to show that A inverse of A is equal to A. First of all, taking determinant, A inverse A determinant is equal to 1 into 4 minus 2 into 3. 4 minus 6 is minus 2. Now adjoint of A, we place 4 with 1 and changing the sign of 2 and 3. So A inverse formula is adjoint of A over A determinant. This adjoint, this A, 4 by minus 2, minus 3 by minus 2, minus 2 by minus 2 and 1 by minus 2. This becomes A inverse is equal to minus 2, 1, 3 by value here and 2 minus 2 is here, and changing the sign of 1 and minus 3 by 2. Now putting these values in this formula, drawing of a overhead determinant. Minus 1 by 2 divided by minus 1 by 2, this becomes minus 1 by 2 multiplied 2 by minus 1. Reciprocating this values. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, which is equal to A. So it means inverse, whole inverse is equal to the original matrix. Students, today we have completed 3.3 exercise. Inshallah next will be 3.4. For more video lecture, visit our YouTube channel and subscribe our channel and share it with your friends. Thank you so much. यार